Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a valve cover gasket. First, let's gather our necessary tools and materials. You'll need a standard ratchet set with various sockets, a torque wrench for precise tightening, and a new valve cover gasket. Don't forget some RTV sealant for specific areas, and always prioritize safety by wearing eye protection and gloves. Having everything ready beforehand makes the job much smoother and more efficient. Before diving in, always disconnect your vehicle's negative battery terminal for safety. Next, you'll need to remove any components that are in the way, such as the air intake tube or ignition coils, to gain clear access to the valve cover. Once clear, use your ratchet to carefully unbolt the valve cover, loosening the bolts in a cross pattern to prevent warping. With all bolts out, gently pry the cover free and remove the old, hardened gasket from its groove. Now for the installation. Begin by meticulously cleaning both the cylinder head and the valve cover mating surfaces. Use a good degreaser to remove all oil residue and old gasket material. Apply a very thin, consistent bead of RTV sealant to the four corners of the valve cover where the timing cover meets the head. Carefully seat the new gasket into the valve cover's groove, ensuring it's perfectly aligned. Then, gently place the valve cover back onto the cylinder head. With the new gasket in place, it's time to secure everything. Hand tighten the valve cover bolts, then use your torque wrench to tighten them to the manufacturer's specified foot-pounds, again following a cross pattern. Reinstall all the components you removed earlier, like the ignition coils and air intake. Finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start your engine and let it run for several minutes, carefully inspecting around the valve cover for any signs of oil leaks. Great job!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.